Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see questions and answer. First of all, we will look at the first portion. It means a short questions answer. Okay, here is a answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Here our first question. How old are Margie and Tommy? Here that Margie is 11 and Tommy is 13-year-old. Okay. Here we will see the second question. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote, "Today Tommy found the real book." The Tommy found the real book. So the Margie wrote about the book. She mentioned in her diary. She put the date and she mentioned that Tommy found a real book. Okay. Here we will see the third question. Had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer: no, Margie had never seen a book before. Margie didn't see the book before. That's why. Okay. She saw first time and then they were reading. Tommy and Margie both were reading the book. Here we will see the fourth question. What things about the book did she found strange? We will see the answer. Margie found it strange that the words printed on a book stood still instead of moving the way they did on a screen. She also found it odd that the words on a page always remained the same as the first time they were read. Beside the idea that someone would write a book about school was itself strange for Margie. This story took place in a future already we have discussed in previous video. Margie and Tommy, they were learning through computers. Virtual classrooms were there, moving e-text and robotic teachers were teaching to them. Okay, so that in this time they are seeing when the book they are reading, Margie and Tommy, the text were not moving. That's why they are thinking about the book. Here we will see the fifth question. What do you think a textbook is? We will see the answer. A book that can be displayed on a screen is called a telebook. Okay. Because this story took place in a future, so Tommy and Margie both were learning through computers, moving e-text. Here we will see the sixth question. Where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmates? We will read the answer. Margie's school was in her home itself. Okay. Right next to her bedroom. No, she did not have any classmates because her school was in her home near her bedroom. Okay, here that time the robotic teacher were teaching in the future. No, that's why they are not going to outside for the studying. And here the Tommy and Margie, they have given a particular time. That time they have to attend the classroom. There is a robotic teacher is waiting. Okay. And Tommy and Margie school was off on Saturday and Sunday. Here we will see the seventh question. What subjects did Margie's and Tommy learn? Margie and Tommy learned geography, history and arithmetic. That robotic teacher teach in that future. So the both Margie and Tommy were learning as a geography, history and arithmetic. Answer the following with reference to the story. I would not throw it away. Who said these words? Then B. What does it refer to? Then here C. What is it being compared with by the speaker? So here we will see our answer. I would not throw it away. Who said these words? Who said these words? Tommy said these words. Okay. Here we will see the second question. What does it refers to? It refers to the television screen on which you could read over 1 million books. Okay. Here we will see the third question. What is it being compared with by the speaker? Here, how the speaker compared? Here answer, Tommy is comparing the television screen to the real books in earlier times in which words were printed on paper. He thought that after reading such books, one would have to throw them away. However, he would never have to throw away these telebooks. Here, the Tommy is comparing the television screen to the real books, and he is telling about that in the earlier time that book were printed on a paper, and he thought that after reading such books, what could the man do? Maybe they are throw away. But he is saying he would never have to throw away these telebooks. So they had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher, it was a man. These questions we are going to discuss: A, B and C. Who does they refer to? What does regular mean here? What is it constructed with? Here we will see the first question here. Who does they refer to? So here our answer is, they refer to the students who studied in the old kind of schools centuries before the time the story is set in. Here Margie and Tommy both were reading book, and they were reading about a school, and here those students are studying in that school, they are reading about them. Okay, then here second question is, what does regular meaning? Here that what does regular meaning? Here we will see the answer. Here regular refers to the mechanical teachers that Tommy and Margie had. Here that already we have discussed in that chapter. The robotic teachers teach Margie and Tommy. Here we will see the third question, that is, what is it contrasted with? Okay, here we will see the answer. The mechanical teachers is contrasted with the teacher of the earlier times. Here Margie and Tommy both were reading a book, and they got there in the centuries before there were a man were a teacher and a woman was teaching to the students. The story had taken place in the future. This story took place in future. So already we have discussed while we read this chapter that here robotic teachers teach Margie and Tommy. Here we will see the first question. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy had mechanical teachers. They were large and black and ugly, and had a large black screens on which all the lessons were shown and questions were asked. These mechanical teachers had a slot in which the students had to put their homework and test papers. They had to write their answers in a punch code, and the mechanical teacher calculated the marks immediately. So in the first question's answer, Margie and Tommy had a mechanical teachers. They were large and ugly. Okay, and they have a black screens on which all the lessons were shown. Okay, so they are able to, Margie and Tommy, they are both were able to learn and see the things from the screens. And there is a slot also, in which slot Margie and Tommy have to put their homework and test papers, and that mechanical teacher is able to check the all questions paper immediately and give the marks also. Now we will see the second question, that is, why did Margie's mother send for the country inspector? Here we will see the answer. Margie had been giving many tests in geography by the mechanical teacher, but there was no improvement in her performance. It was kept getting worse. It is for this reason that Margie's mother sent for the country inspector to find out why this was happening. Here in this answer, the Margie's mother called the country inspector because Margie is giving the test in geography, but there is no improvement. Okay, in the day by day, she is getting boards and no improvement there. That's why her mother called the country inspector to find out why this was happening. Now we will see the third question. What did he do? Here our answer is, the country inspector gave Margie an apple and started working on the mechanical teacher. He took it apart and then checked it. Margie had hoped that the inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teacher together again, but he managed to reassemble it. He slowed down the geography sector of the teacher because it was geared a little too quick for an average 10-year-old. Here in this answer, when the country inspector came, that time he gave an apple to Margie, and then Margie was thinking that country inspector is not able to repair the mechanical teacher, but the country inspector managed to reassemble it. He slowed down the geography sector of the teacher because it was geared a little too quick for an average 10-year-old. Okay. Now we will see the fourth question. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the country inspector do to help her? Margie was doing badly in geography because the geography sector of the mechanical teacher had been geared a little too quick. The country inspector rightly told her that she could not be blamed for her poor performance. The country inspector slowed down the geography sector of the mechanical teacher to an average 10-year level. He also told Mrs. Jones that Margie's overall progress pattern was satisfactory. In this answer, that the geography sector was not working properly, so the country inspector make the correct. Then it was he averaged to make as a Margie's level. Okay. Now we will see the fifth question. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Here is our answer. Once the history sector of Tommy's teacher had once blocked out completely. Here in this answer, the Tommy's teacher history sector was blocked out completely. Now we will see the sixth question. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? If so, why? Here we will see the answer. Yes, Margie had regular days and hours for school. This was because her mother believed that learning at regular hours helped little girls learn better. Her mechanical teacher was also on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Here in this answer, Margie's mother believed that learning at regular hours help little girls learn better. Her mechanical teacher was also on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Here we will see the seventh question. How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? How did the Tommy describe old kind of school? Here we will see the answer. Tommy described old kind of school as a special building where all kids studied together. There were hundreds of students studying and playing together. They used to shout and laugh together in an open yard. Already we have discussed in lesson when Tom was reading a book, that time he was telling to Margie about a school, that it was as a building. All students have to go and a human teacher was teaching there and giving the same homework. And while doing the homework, the students were helping each other and they are playing together. And students have lot of fun. Here now we will see the eighth question. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? We will see the answer. Tommy said that the old kind of teachers were men who taught the students inside a special building. The teachers taught the children in groups and gave them homework and asked them questions. Here Tom described the old kind of teachers were men who taught the students inside a special building. A special building means school, and the teachers taught the children in a groups and give the same homework and ask them questions. Now here we will see the fourth portion, that is answer each of these questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Here we have to write down the 100 or the 150 words, okay, for each answer. First question is there, what are the main features of the mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? So here is the first answer. Just you pause the video and try to understand, okay, because if I will explain the each and everything, then video will become too long. Now here we will see the second question. Why did Margie hate school? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Just you pause the video and see the answer, and the remaining answer is here. Now we will see the third question. Do you agree with the Margie that schools today are more fun than the school in the story? Give reasons for your answer. And here downside, here is the answer here. And the remaining answer is here. And here we will see the next portion. Find the sentences in the lesson which have the adverbs given in the box below. So the answer is downside, and the remaining answer is here. Here we will see the second point. Now use these adverbs to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. The report must be read, here that there is written dash, so that performance can be improved. And the remaining portion is here, and the answer is this one. You can see, you can pause the video and you can watch the answer. Here we will see the next portion, that is make adverb from these adjectives. And here is our answer. Here we will see the next portion. Complete the following conditional sentences. Use the correct form of verb. And here is answer. I hope all of you understood. Okay, bye. Then see you in the next video.